Hi, welcome to Mr. Gold Fitness channel. I'm happy to have you here. If you are here, if you have not been here before, please click the subscribe button. It will help. Thank you. Today I want to show you how to build your thighs if you are a guy. And even if you are a lady, you need to tone your thighs. It's very good. It's very good. It's a very good machine. You need squatting lunges here, but you still need this machine. This is the machine. They call it a leg extension. It's a very good machine. It has back workout program too with it. You can see this is it. Now I want to show you how to use it. All you need to do, you need to sit, be comfortable on it. And then you see, you move your leg up and down. You see? Can you see my thighs? It's very good. Good work. Thank you. Please subscribe, like, comment. And if there is any part of your body that you want to build, that you don't have an idea how to build it, I am your guy. I am here for you. I'll teach you how to build it. Love you.